Good morning, students. Today onwards, let us discuss 10th topics. 10th class students are board exams, so we are starting 10th class advance. First, I am explaining quadratic equations. Already we discussed polynomials. In the polynomials, what is the variable, what is the constant, and what are the linear polynomial, different types of polynomials depending on the degree. Let us recall, here this is a quadratic equation. Already we know polynomials. So first we have to know expression and equation. What is the difference between expression and equation? I am writing one. See, this is 2x plus 3. What is this? 2x plus 3. This is an expression. So this is which type of polynomial? So here, see, in this polynomial, what is the variable? Variable is x. See the variable x power. What is the power of variable x? The x variable power or exponent is 1. So this is called linear polynomial. So when the degree of the polynomial is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. Already we discussed in the polynomials, when the degree of the polynomial is 2, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. So let us take one more. See this, it is also one polynomial. So what is the degree of this polynomial? This is a polynomial in variable x. So see the what is the highest power of x? How many x terms are there? 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So this variable x terms are 2 terms. What is the power of x here? 1. Here what is the power of x? 2. What is the highest power of x? 2. So this is the degree of the polynomial is 2. So when the degree of the polynomial is 2, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. So here we are discussing quadratic equations. So before that, before going to define the equations, quadratic equation, first let us know what is an equation, what is an expression. If you take this x plus 1, x plus 1, this is an expression. Why? Because, so if you take substituting any values of x, for example, if you write in the place of x equal to 1, that gives 1 plus 1, 2. So when the variable replaced by the numbers, that gives some numbers. So those are called expressions. So if you, I am taking one more, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So here the expression contains equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. When the expression contains equal to 0 is called an equation. Okay, na? So now let us discuss what is a quadratic equation. What is the definition of quadratic equation? See, the polynomial with degree 2, the polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic expression, and equation with degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Already we discussed quadratic polynomials, quadratic expressions. Now quadratic equation means an equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. So I am writing, see, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. What is the degree of this equation? What is the highest power of variable? What is the variable here? The variable is x. So what is the highest power of the variable? Here the x variable power is 1. Here the x variable power is 2. So what is the highest power of variable x? 2. So this is the equation with degree 2. So this is called quadratic equation. So this equation is called standard form of quadratic equation. See, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is called standard form of quadratic equation, where here a, b, c are real numbers, where a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0, that means a is non-zero real number, and b comma c, these are real numbers. When a not equal to 0 and b comma c are real numbers, then the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is called standard form of quadratic equation. Let us see some examples. See here, let us take the examples. 5x square minus 2x plus 3 equals 0. It is one quadratic equation. See here, x square minus 1 equals 0. It is one quadratic equation. 3x minus 7x square plus 12 equals 0. These three are quadratic equations. Is there any difference in these three equations? See, first two equations and third one. First one is 5x square minus 2x plus 3 equals 0. It is in the standard form. What is the standard form? The standard form is first term is x square term, next x term, next constant. The standard form is nothing but the degree of the variable is decreasing. Why? Because first the degree of the polynomial is 2, then the degree of the polynomial x 1, then the constant means degree is 0. So when the degree of the variable is decreasing, then that is called standard form. The standard form, first term x square, next x term, next constant. Here see, what is the first term? 5x square, second term x, third term constant. So it is in the standard form. A x square, what is a? By comparing with the standard form, here a equal to 5. What is b? B equal to minus 2. What is the constant c? C equal to 3. By comparing with the standard form, x square coefficient a. What is x square coefficient? 5. So a equal 5. And x coefficient b. What is b? Minus 2. Constant. What is the constant? C equal 3. Now let us see here, x square minus 1 equals 0. Is it quadratic equation or not? So here in this equation, x square, so degree 2, it is a quadratic equation. Now let us see, can you say, is it in the form of standard form? This is a quadratic equation, but it is in the standard form? No. Why? Because here x square term is there is no x term. So to convert into standard form, there is no x term. So here x coefficient is b. So if you take the b value is 0, 0 into x, that becomes 0. So let us convert this into standard form. X square, 1 is the coefficient of any variable. So this we can write 1 into x square. There is no x term. So I am writing 0 into x minus 1 equals 0. Now it is in the standard form. 1 into x square plus 0 into x minus 1. By comparing with the standard form, ax square, what is a value? 1. What is the b value? 0. What is the c value? Minus 1. Now let us go for third one. 3x minus 7x square plus 12. It is also a quadratic equation, but it is not in the order of standard form. So we can convert into standard form by writing x square as a first term. Let us write this one minus 7x square. Next x term plus 3x. Next constant plus 12. Whenever we are writing any expression, any equation, we set first term as a positive term. So by multiplying with minus, then the first term negative symbol will be changes as a positive. When multiplying with minus, the symbols will be changes. Minus into minus plus. 7x square minus into plus minus 3x minus 12 equals 0. These are quadratic equations. So let me see some more examples. I am giving 5x minus 1 equals 0. Is it quadratic equation? Tell me. Yes or no? Is it quadratic or not? So it is not a quadratic. Why? Because there is no x square term. So it is a linear equation. If I take 2x minus 0x square plus 5 equals 0. Here also x square term is there, but x square coefficient is 0. In the definition what we say? So the a is a non-zero real number. If the coefficient of x square is 0, then that is not a quadratic equation. Let us see some more examples. X plus 1 by x equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation or not? See, let us see x plus 1 by x. Let us simplify this. Take LCM x. If you write this, convert into x plus 1 by x, we can convert as a x power minus 1 equals 0. So there is no x square term. It is also not a quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us see some examples.